Hello and welcome back to hear another episode of my Beekeeping Quick and Easy series. Today I want to talk about the different tasks of the beekeeper in winter. And if you like these videos, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. So winter is the regeneration time for the bees and the beekeeper. You can just wait and look that no mouses or other animals disturb the colonies. The most important thing in winter is the oxalic acid treatment. There are three major ways to treat the colonies with oxalic acid. Dripping it on the bees, spray it on the bees, or evaporate it on the bees. But these methods have the same logic behind. Killing the mites in the time they can't multiply or breed because there's no bee brood in winter. During the winter the bees stay in ball formation and make fitness to stay warm. Or may not exactly like this, and more like shivering with the muscles. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.